Imagine a place where $7 trillion changes hands every single day. Where you can make thousands, or lose everything, in the time it takes to drink your coffee. It's not a casino. It's not Wall Street. It's a market that never sleeps. You've probably heard of it. Forex trading. The supposed fast lane to financial freedom, right from your phone. But there's a darker side most influencers won't tell you. Behind the charts and candlesticks is a game, and in this game, the house always wins unless you know the rules. 1. What is Forex, really? Forex, short for foreign exchange, is the global marketplace for currencies. It's where euros are traded for dollars, yens for pounds, and every other currency you can imagine. Unlike the stock market, Forex doesn't live in one building. It exists in the cloud, a massive network of banks, governments, companies, and individuals, trading currencies 24 hours a day, 5 days a week. It's decentralized. No central exchange. No New York Stock Exchange for currencies. Only screens. And the cold logic of numbers. 2. How does Forex trading work? When you enter a Forex trade, you're always buying one currency while selling another. For example, in the euro to US dollar pair, if you buy, you're expecting the euro to rise against the dollar. If the euro gains value, you profit. If not, you lose. But here's the kicker: leverage. Forex brokers often allow you to control positions much larger than your actual investment. Put in $100, and you might control $10,000. It's like holding a tiger by the tail. Every step is amplified. If you're right, you win big. If you're wrong, you're wiped out before you blink. 3. Who controls this market? Contrary to what you see in flashy TikToks, you're not playing alone. The Forex market is dominated by giants, central banks, multinational corporations, investment banks, hedge funds. They move billions at will, often triggering market waves that retail traders can predict. So when you're trading from your phone, know this: you're swimming with sharks. Not all of them are hungry, but they won't hesitate to eat you if you drift too close. 4. Why do so many get into Forex? It's seductive. Social media is flooded with success stories. Turn $100 into $10,000. Work from the beach. Only 2 hours a day. They sell a dream. A dream that seems attainable. Because all you need is a phone, an app, and a few tutorials. Right? But here's the truth: over 90% of Forex traders lose money. Not because they're dumb, but because they're misinformed, overconfident, and emotional. 5. The psychology trap. The real enemy in Forex isn't the market. It's your mind. Greed, fear, impatience, ego. These emotions don't just exist, they get magnified by the speed and stakes of Forex. You win once, and feel unstoppable. You lose, and double down, chasing the loss. You forget risk management. And in a matter of minutes, your account is gone. The chart doesn't care. It keeps moving. 6. Is Forex a scam? Forex itself is not a scam. It's a legitimate financial market. But the way it's marketed often is. From shady brokers to fake mentors, robot trading scams, and MLM copy trading schemes, people are lured in with guarantees of passive income and risk-free profits. There are no guarantees in Forex. If someone promises consistent returns with zero risk, run. 7. Can you actually win in Forex? Yes. But it's not what you think. Success in Forex looks boring. It's long hours of analysis, strict risk management, losing days, slow gains. Successful traders treat Forex like a business, not a lottery. They know when to stop. They protect their capital first, and chase profits second. They don't brag, because they know how fragile success really is. 8. The cold, hard numbers. Here's what the statistics say. 70% of retail Forex traders lose money within 90 days. The average trader quits within 6 months. Less than 1% make consistent profits beyond 2 years. It's not impossible. But it's extremely rare, and the odds are against you unless you play smart, emotionless, and educated. Forex is like the ocean. Beautiful, powerful, but also merciless. Some will learn to surf the waves. Most will drown chasing illusions. Don't be fooled by the glamour. Be the one who learns the game behind the game. And maybe, just maybe, you'll make it out not just alive, but better. If this story opened your eyes, share it. Help someone you care about not fall for the trap. Like, comment your thoughts, and subscribe for more stories that don't just entertain, they protect.